let's do another thing. Just give me another time. Yay! I got it. Oh. Bye. Welcome to Roddy Queen. Today I'm gonna make clone game. Don't you excited? So let's start. What we need that thing. What teacher, pencil, eraser, roller tape, glue, get it, cardboard, white paper, origami paper, the tape of the skull. So let's begin. Take a cardboard tape, to place the glue, everywhere. Any origami paper color you want. So I choose orange. So which color origami paper you can choose it. So I pick orange. So let's plate it. Yeah, like this. Join both ends. Let's see. Now we're gonna pin. So let's put the join. Apply the glue and join it. Like this. Now take white paper and tip of a circle. Place it and draw a circle. So let's open it. Oh, look at that. Now cut it. Finish. On the circle. Ta-da! Apply the glue on the circle. Then over center. Done. Plate down to the circle. This roll plate down to the circle. Now the note is done. Now draw some eyes. So let me draw. Now color. Now color it. Take black cat first. Done. Now this one. Take red origami paper and draw a loop. Done. So let's cut it. Yeah, finish. Apply glue. Lightly put and plate over here. Look at the red lip. Done. Now we gonna make a ear. Take green origami paper and draw it ear. Now let's cut it. Done. Make 2 ear. Apply glue ear. So plate it. Apply glue on another ear. Done. So open it and put it on. Now no done. More done. It's done. And I done everything done. So we need to make a hat. Origami paper and fold it in like a clown hat. Draw a triangle for a clown hat. Now cut it. Yeah, at the right. Make a wool and pat it here. Take a blue origami paper and fold it bottom floor. And cut it. Yeah, flower is done. So apply the glue over here and paint it. Yeah, topi done. Apply glue here. Put over here, done. Yeah, done. Clown is ready. Now going to make a ring. Take 3 pieces of cardboard like this. So we need to roll it. Yeah. 2 cardboard pieces of like this. Yellow tape to join the part together. Done. Join to end points. Yeah, now ring is ready. Now clone and ring is ready. So we gonna start the game. Let's go. Start the game. Yeah! More time. Let's try. Yes, I did it. Let's do another thing. Yes, did another time. Yay! I can't get that. Oh, if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Give watch my video and did you like my clown and play game. Yeah, did it.